Good morning, Eastover Eagles. This is Mrs. Livingston with your school bell video for May 18th, 2020. Let's get ready to say yes. One of my favorite days is Yes Day. Maybe you never heard of it, this type of day. Well, today is the day you're going to learn about it. Maybe you can start a once-a-year Yes Day with your family. It's fun, it's wacky, it is never boring. First, let's read a book together, like we always do, and learn a little bit about Yes Day. Be kind, remember to soar, and have a great Yes Day, whenever that may be. Ask your family first. Oh, and don't forget, you can draw or write a list of things you would like to do on a Yes Day. Let's learn more about it and read our book together. What do you call a day when every answer is yes? Yes Day! Yes! It's by Amy Cross Rosenthal and Tom Lichtenheld. Whoa, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Like the best end papers in the whole entire world. It's like a calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You got to be kidding me, day. Look at that, right on Friday at the top. Saturday. And it's Yes Day! Yes! You're going to say it with me. Try it right now. Let's say it at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Hope you're pumping your hands when you say yes. Today is my favorite day of the year. Yes Day! Just watch. You'll see what I mean. Can I please have pizza for breakfast? Oh, there is no way she's going to say yes. Oh, he's eating pizza for breakfast. Oh, that's right. It's, say it, Yes Day. Can I use your hair gel? Say cheese. Can I clean my room tomorrow? Whoa. Later, mess. Oh, he's gonna go shopping. Can I pick? Puffed sugar cereal. Big awesome toy in the cereal. Marshmallow fluff cereal. Chocolate Cocoa Crisps. Hot Sundae Cocoa Flakes. Cookie dough cereal. Whoa, he's one lucky dude. Can we get ice cream? Okay, boys and girls, what's she gonna say? Remember, what day is it? It's not no day. It is, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Can I eat lunch outside? Yes! Can we have a food fight? I don't know about that one. What do you think? The count of 3, say what you think. Is it going to be yes or a no? 1, 2, 3. Yes! Whoa, banana coming in. Can we invent our own game? Yes! Can I have a piggyback ride? Doodly-dee, doodly-dum. Yes. Can Mario come over for dinner? Mamma mia, of course, it's a yes day. Can we stay up really late? Yes. Movie night. does this day have to end? What's it gonna be, boys and girls? Does the day have to end? Yes. The end of Yes Day. See you again next year. Goodbye, Yes Day.
Do you think we could have a picnic outside for lunch or dinner?
Yeah! Picnics are the best on Yes Day with all your friends and all great yummy treats. Just say yes!
Can we have dessert anytime we want?
Extra treat on Yes Day? Sounds yummy to me. Do you think we could go for a bike ride?
Yeah! Let's ride bikes today! It's Yes Day!
Can we build a fort today in the living room?
What a great idea to build a fort today. Get cozy, read a good book. It's Yes Day!
Can we wear costumes today?
It's the perfect day to dress up in a costume. It's Yes Day. Yeah, baby. I hope you guys have a great day on Yes Day. Have so much fun.
Hope you enjoyed that book. And I want to remind you to make a Yes Day drawing or a list of things that you would love to do on a Yes Day. Love you guys. Bye. Good morning, Eastover Eagles. This is Mrs. Livingston with your school.